Hi, I'm Steve with the All Electric family. Today I'm going to do a range test on my Aventon Level. It is a 48 volt battery with a 500 watt hub motor. We're going to take the battery from 100% until it cuts out. And I'm only going to use the throttle on this. This does have 5 settings of pedal assist, but I will just see how far it can take us with just using the throttle. This bike says it'll do 20 miles an hour. I'm going to actually record it with an app called Strava and see how far that I go. So it should be pretty accurate with that. I will compare that with the actual screen and see how accurate that is. The starting voltage is at 54 volts, so we'll see how low that goes. We utilize this bike when we are charging our Tesla Model X or we're out camping. I want to know how far it can actually take us. So let's get going. Well, I've gotten to the bike trail. I've already rode 3.38 miles and the battery has settled in at about 52 volts, so it's used some. But let's get going on the bike trail and see how far we can go. Well, I got 12 miles in, and on my bike it has 10 bars on it for the energy, and we are down to, well, it was at 5 bars when it was under load, and now it's up to 7 bars. I still think I'm going to turn around and make sure I have enough juice to get home, since I'm close to, what, 12 miles away from home. So I'm going to turn around, and if I need to drain off the rest, I'll do that at home. Wow, that took a long time. Ended up getting 24.41 miles out of it. Once it hit 41 volts, then it totally shut off. 24 miles, that's pretty good if you ask me. I can definitely tell you that the odometer and trip on there, it's close, but on here it says 23 miles, and according to GPS on my phone is 24, so it's definitely a little bit off. The average speed was 17.5 miles. Yeah, the Aventon website says that it can do 30 miles real world range, and so we ended up just getting 24.41, like I said. I do have 250 miles on it, so maybe there's a little bit of battery degradation in there. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, definitely hit like and subscribe to the channel. We like to do a lot of adventurous things with our Tesla, and then also camping. So if you want to follow along with that, definitely subscribe to our channel. Thanks, guys.